Hi, it's Todd at Tods Workshop and Tod Cutler here, and this is a Black Friday advert. I hate adverts. 50% off on loads of selected items. 25% off pretty much everything else. 15% off swords. And 10% off Tod's Workshop in stock pieces. Nah, I wouldn't do that, would I? But you will get 10% off. These amazing deals are going to run in full all weekend. But just in case you're a bit slow, just in case there's anything left, then there's still going to be massive medieval bargains for the next 2 weeks. So come on down to the websites. So make sure that you visit todcutler.com for the even more affordable knives, daggers, swords, leatherwork, maces, all sorts of stuff. And then todsworkshop.com for the fancy stuff. Don't forget, sign up for the newsletter so you don't miss anything, or else the bunny gets it. They're here and I just have to try it. Ooh, felt good.